Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. Good morning everyone. Allow me to introduce my group. I'm Devani Ramadhania.
I'm Jorlawis.
I'm Nadi Fatwata Maharani.
Kartinta Milna.
And I am Safarici Amanda.
We want to present summary of digital economy. Here's our table of contents. Embrace the digital economy. The first industrial revolution came with the advent of electric power, steam power, and air that occurred around the 18th and 19th centuries. This mechanization was then followed by the second industrial revolution, which was concerned with mass production and assembly line use. Meanwhile, the Industrial Revolution is related to the development of electronics, information technology systems, and automation, which leads the Fourth Industrial Revolution, namely the development of cyber-physical systems. In general, Industry 4.0 describes the growing trend towards automation and data exchange in technology and processes in the manufacturing industry. Industry 4.0 is all about digital transformation. This industrial era will allow automation of equipment with combined system and that can work together with each other. The technology will also help troubleshoot and track processes while increasing productivity in business and manufacturing at scale. Of course, the application of this industry is expected to increase productivity. The development of digital economy, politics factor can affect the ability of a business to make a profit and be successful when operating in a region or country. Economy is an aspect that reviews external economic issues that may affect business operations. As social, help business understand consumer needs so that they know what things can attract them to make a purchase. And technology is a factor that must exist in business. Assessment of technological aspects needs to be done from all sides.
Platform-based business and ecosystem. Platform-based business. The platform-based business is exponentially expanding into all aspects of industry and daily life. 5 characteristics to analysis digital platform. First, strength of network effect. Same-site network effect, cross-site network effect. 2. Network clustering. 3. Risk of disintermediation. 4. Vulnerability to multi-homing. 5. Network bridging. 2 case factor. First, platform infrastructure. 2. Ecosystem model. Position in ecosystem. Point provide full functional service, and they can be individuals or firms that possess socializes skill but often cannot survive by themselves. Lines are the firms that combine productive function and capabilities to create product and service, often utilizing the service provided by the points and plan. Platform that help new line form and grow by providing infrastructural service and jump-starting point growth. Inclusiveness of the digital economy. First, inclusive technology. 2. Inclusive trade. 3. Inclusive finance. Data-driven. In traditional economics, 3 factors of production are the ingredients that go into creating value in society. First, capital. 2. Labor. 3. Land.
The new digital consumer. Why have consumers changed? Number 1. Globalization. Globalization connected consumers have access to information, about products and services around the world, driving demand and adoption in their own markets. Number 2, technology empowerment. Digital technology has transformed consumer habits. Number 3, supply or demand. Consumers come away with the power to demand better and more personalized products from brands looking to differentiate. How have consumers changed? Number 1, change in consumer segments. Consumers are developing more diverse preferences for products and services. Number 2, change in brand values. Number 2, change in the way of receiving information. B2C. Number 1, purchase decisions are based on logic and influenced by a buying process. Number 2, considerations are made not about the product but about the people using the product. Number 3, messaging should be in-depth and thorough to explain features and benefits. Number 4, campaigns may be more costly to execute to reach our audience. C2B, 3 critical factors of C2B innovation. Number 2, agile product development. Number 2, customer data. Number 3, flexible distribution and manufacturing, transforming B2C to C2B. Number 1, responsive and unbiased feedback. Number 2, adapt to certain life cycle. Number 3, agile product development.
Changing work fields. As technological breakthrough rapidly shift the frontier between work as performed by humans and those performed by machines and algorithms, global labor markets are likely to undergo major transformation. The general result on changing work fields as follows: diminishing, emerging, and transforming. Changing work pattern. Business paradigm shift. The internal and external individuals need to respond quickly to market demands and customer needs. Technological empowerment and platform support. The support of the cloud computing and internet connectivity, the open platform reduce the cost of communication and coordination significantly. New values in the youth. Features as openness, equality, share, and transparency. Internet culture shift people's attitudes toward work. Consumer persona. A consumer persona is a representation of your ideal customer. Consumer persona includes customer demographic, behavior patterns, motivation, fears, challenge, and goals to give much more detailed picture of the customer.
New retail, digital transformation. There are most branded convenience store and online transaction become more common. Even moms are selling their things through the social media. The traditional distribution path, a brand sells to multiple level of wholesaler and distributor at the province, city, and county level. The lack of transparency on consumer behavior, any single distributor may have offered only limited SKU to this email store. The costs are high and brands have limited control or transparency into sales. The new product discovery relies on the merchandise individual wings. New logistic value chain includes smart warehousing, smart transportation, smart distribution, and smart pickup. New finance learning outcome. Define what we mean by being unbanked. Discuss the disadvantage of the traditional finance model. Understand how the finance industry is being digitally transformed through the digitalization of payment, credit assessment, and lending. Identify key pain points for startup using traditional finance model. Develop an appreciation of how smart finance can create new business opportunity. Key knowledge point: financial service drive the world development. The mobile phone is now an essential good. Bitcoin and blockchain technology make it possible for truthless business transactions that are transparent and accessible to a wide variety of organizations from startup multinational enterprise. Smart finance and associated technologies are powerful tools for economic development. New manufacturing. Rapid competition in an increasingly globalized e-commerce environment has provide customers with access to a wider variety of increasingly diverse and high-quality products delivered in ever more efficient time frames. This raises customer expectation from efficiency pressuring manufacturers to challenge traditional mindset to become more customer-centric and more flexible in their supply chains.
So many of our presentation, if there are shortcomings or wrong words, please forgive. Thank you for attention, everyone.